In the modern living era, the demand for impressive and inspiring fast-selling woodworking projects has surged, reflecting a broader cultural shift towards handmade, sustainable, and personalized items. This resurgence in woodworking not only showcases the beauty and versatility of wood as a material, but also highlights the advantages of engaging in woodworking projects that resonate with contemporary consumers. From aesthetic appeal to the satisfaction of craftsmanship, the benefits of these projects are multifaceted. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of impressive and inspiring fast-selling woodwork project ideas for modern living space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the most significant advantages of impressive woodworking projects is their inherent aesthetic appeal. In a world increasingly dominated by mass-produced items, handcrafted wooden pieces stand out for their unique beauty and character. Each project carries the natural variations of wood grain, color, and texture, which add depth and warmth to any space. This individuality is particularly sought after in modern interiors, where consumers are looking to create environments that reflect their personal style. Whether it's a beautifully crafted coffee table, a decorative shelf, or a custom-made chair, these pieces can serve as stunning focal points that enhance the overall decor of a home. Moreover, the tactile quality of wood adds an inviting element that synthetic materials often lack. People are drawn to the warmth and natural feel of wood, which can evoke feelings of comfort and nostalgia. As individuals increasingly seek to create cozy and welcoming spaces, the appeal of wooden projects becomes even more pronounced. This emotional connection to the material plays a crucial role in the popularity of woodworking, as consumers are not just purchasing items, they are investing in pieces that enhance their daily lives and contribute to their overall well-being. In addition to their aesthetic qualities, fast-selling woodworking projects often embody a sense of functionality that resonates with modern lifestyles. As homes become more versatile and multifunctional, the demand for practical yet stylish furniture and decor is on the rise. Projects that focus on efficiency and usability, such as storage solutions, modular shelving systems, or compact furniture, are particularly appealing to consumers looking to maximize their living spaces. These pieces not only serve a purpose, but also reflect the values of modern living, where adaptability and efficiency are paramount. The ability to customize woodworking projects further enhances their appeal in today's market. Many consumers are drawn to the idea of bespoke items that cater to their specific needs and preferences. Fast-selling woodworking projects often offer a level of personalization that mass-produced items cannot match. Whether it's choosing the type of wood, the finish, or even the dimensions of a piece, the opportunity for customization empowers consumers to create items that fit seamlessly into their lives. This collaborative aspect of woodworking fosters a deeper connection between the maker and the buyer, making each piece feel special and unique. Engaging in woodworking projects also taps into a growing desire for sustainability and eco-conscious living. More consumers are prioritizing sustainability in their purchasing decisions, seeking out items that are made from responsibly sourced materials. Wood, when harvested sustainably, is a renewable resource that can be transformed into beautiful and functional pieces without the environmental impact associated with many synthetic alternatives. By choosing fast-selling woodworking projects that emphasize eco-friendly practices, both makers and consumers contribute to a more sustainable future, aligning their values with their purchasing choices. Dear viewers are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of creating impressive woodworking projects provides a sense of fulfillment that transcends mere consumption. For artisans and hobbyists alike, the act of working with wood can be a deeply rewarding experience. The tactile nature of woodworking, combined with the focus and dedication required to craft a piece, fosters mindfulness and creativity. This creative outlet allows individuals to express themselves and take pride in their work, leading to greater satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. In a fast-paced world, the opportunity to slow down and engage in a hands-on craft can be both therapeutic and rejuvenating. Furthermore, the popularity of woodworking projects has been bolstered by the rise of social media and online marketplaces. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Etsy have created vibrant communities where woodworkers can showcase their creations and connect with potential buyers. This exposure not only helps artisans reach a wider audience, but also allows them to share their processes, inspirations, and stories behind their work. The ability to interact directly with consumers fosters a sense of community and collaboration, encouraging a supportive environment for both established and emerging artists. In addition to fostering community, these platforms also provide valuable feedback and insights that can help artisans refine their craft and adapt to market trends. The immediate nature of social media allows woodworkers to gauge consumer preferences and identify which projects resonate most. This responsiveness can lead to more successful sales and a deeper understanding of the evolving tastes of modern consumers. The ability to pivot and adapt to trends is essential in a rapidly changing marketplace, and woodworking projects that reflect current interests are more likely to find success. The educational aspect of woodworking also plays a significant role in its appeal. Many individuals are eager to learn new skills and engage in hands-on activities that promote personal growth. Workshops, online tutorials, and community classes have made woodworking more accessible than ever, inviting newcomers to explore the craft. This emphasis on skill building not only encourages creativity, but also fosters a sense of empowerment as individuals create their own furniture and decor. As people gain confidence in their abilities, they are more likely to experiment with new projects and techniques, leading to a vibrant culture of innovation within the woodworking community. Moreover, impressive woodworking projects can often serve as thoughtful gifts that carry personal meaning. In an age where experiences are increasingly valued over material possessions, handmade wooden items can become cherished tokens of affection. The effort and care that go into crafting a unique piece resonate with recipients, making these gifts memorable and meaningful. Whether it's a custom cutting board for a friend or a beautifully crafted toy for a child, the personal touch of a handmade wooden item can strengthen relationships and create lasting memories. The advantages of impressive and inspiring fast-selling woodworking projects in the modern living era are numerous and impactful. From their aesthetic appeal and functionality to their connection to sustainability and community, these projects resonate deeply with contemporary consumers. The tactile and emotional qualities of wood, combined with the opportunities for customization and personal expression, make woodworking an art form that thrives in today's market. As individuals seek to create spaces that reflect their values and enhance their daily lives, the allure of beautifully crafted wooden pieces continues to grow, ensuring that woodworking remains a vibrant and essential part of modern living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked impressive and inspiring fast-selling woodwork project ideas for modern living space. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.